besties, welcome to my YouTube channel. My good name is Lutomia. Welcome to Miss Lutomia vlog channel. If you're new here, kindly consider subscribing, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for your support. I don't take it for granted. And if you see me, just know it's another vlog, and our today's vlog will be unboxing something. Yes, ta-da! Yay! Microwave oven. Mimi na chakula baridi hatupatani kwa hii nyumba. So we'll be unboxing this. Yes, and I'm so happy. I thank God for this. I don't take it for granted. Yes. Acha tuanze na kufungua our box tujue ni nini imepakiwa. Unajua hii Nairobi unaweza kumepakiwa kitu na upate sio yenye unataka. So let's unbox it and then tujue ni nini iko ndani, tusipate tumekiwa hapo kwa box. I'm so excited. Mimi with hot food tutakuwa besties. Whether kuna joto, whether kuna baridi, I'll be eating hot meals. So I'll be eating hot